Alrighty, guys, you're welcome to another exciting moment. And this is question 11 out of 100. And I'm sure it has been helpful so far. So, guys, we have another question on logarithm and we want to find the value of x. Now, this is very straightforward. We have log x squared base 3 is equal to minus 8. Now, the first thing you want to do is to get rid of this logarithm. How do you do that? This 3 will take the resultant as its power, and you equate it to the input. So that means this is going to be like x squared is equal to 3 to the minus 8. I hope you remember the concept. To get rid of the logarithm, the base is going to take the resultant at its power. So like this, you know from your laws of exponent, when you have a negative exponent, you can remove the negative exponent by taking a fraction of 1 upon that guy without the negative exponent. So to get rid of this negative sign, so that will become x squared is equal to 1 upon 3 to the 8. Yeah, that's correct. Now we want to find the value of x and not x squared. So I need to take the square root of both sides. Right? So this cancels out. So I have x right here. And plus or minus. What is square root of 1? The square root of 1 is 1. And what is square root of root 8? I hope you know that this is the same as writing square root of 1 upon square root of 3 to the 8. Hope you know that. So square root of 1 is 1. Then this other guy can further be simplified as, square root, when you have square root of x is the same as x to the 1 over 2. So this guy is the same as writing 3 to the 8 all to the 1 over 2. So that these two can cancel out this 8 and you're left with 4, right? So all these guys is just the same as 3 to the 4, right? So that is why we have 3 to the power 4 here. And so moving forward, what is 3 to the power 4? 3 to the power 4 is like 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And that will give us 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 27 times 3 is going to give us 81. So the value of x is plus or minus 81. So which of them do you see in the option? Do you see plus 1 over 81 or minus 1 over 81? Any of them is correct. So we are going to pick, why any of them is correct? Because x is squared here, okay? So any of them here is correct. So we're going to pick the value of x, which is 1 over 81 as our correct answer. So the answer is D. I hope you get this one. If you do, kindly let me know in the comment section and see you in the next video challenge. Bye-bye and God bless you.